Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here with your Dollar General clearance coupon matchups. That's right, we have a clearance sale coming up at Dollar General starting Friday the 13th going through Thursday the 16th. As for what's included, you're going to have your clearance section and your POG orange tags, which is clearance items in the regular sections in the store. Seasonal clearance includes your Memorial Day flowers, Smokezilla hardware, sweet and salty snacks, and that's the stationery, gaming stationery, aged electronics. We have gray diamond and gray star socks plus face masks. Now we also have some sales going on at the same time, and this is going to include select lawn and garden, which is going to be buy one get one free. Bins, baskets, and hampers are going to be buy one get one 50% off. There's exclusions there. The hanging throws, we also have exclusions there. Those are buy one get one 50% off. Then we have Green Dot Home, excluding beach towels, will be buy one, get one free. We'll also have journals and notebooks, excluding Office Hub items, which will be buy one, get one free. Select stores may choose to do an additional 70% off, but that will vary by location. Most stores will be 50% off. So when we get into the coupon matchups, make sure you are scanning items to make sure that they attach to every coupon every single time, or every item every single time you need to scan. So I'm not going to read off every single coupon. DQ on here means there's a digital coupon. Some of these will show the picture of the coupon. Some of them will not. There was 2 of us working on these screenshots. If there weren't, I'd probably still be working on them. So I have to give a huge thank you to Autumn for helping me with this. CB means cash back. Some of them will just have the coupon. It won't say DGDQ or anything like that on there. So when you're scanning the items, the reason we say this is because there are some items that do not attach to these coupons that are in our clearance sections. Also certain scents, certain flavors, depending on what you're looking at. So anything in this video has a coupon of some sort or a cashback offer that will go to these. We have personal care, household, pet, baby, some grocery items. All of those things are in here. Now, on our website, I am in the process of putting together a post that is going to have all these coupon matchups, but we're also going to have other visuals. I think including these coupon matchups, there's 370, give or take, visuals that we've made for you. This is not every single item that has a coupon. This is not every single coupon that you may find to attach to something during the clearance sale. This is not going to be every single item that is in the clearance sale if you go and look at that post, which once the post is ready, it will be in the description box of this video. So this is just a starting place, few things that we thought would be good items to put together for you to help you prepare for clearance. Now, with that being said, I know the last clearance sale, people bought up the laundry and things, laundry detergents and cleaners and things like that. Just because you couldn't find them later on in the last clearance sale doesn't mean that there might not be more this time. So that's why we do have the laundry items included. They're a little bit further in this video, but we're getting close to them as we're getting into different coupons that are attaching here. So with the laundry items, if your store doesn't have a section set up at the front of the store with a table with a bunch of stuff on there for clearance, if they don't have any there, make sure you're checking down the laundry aisle. Check the end caps, check the clearance section. Look all over the store and make sure you look up high, because sometimes you will find stuff up on the sky shelf. So as you can see here, there are some laundry items with coupons. Now, not every single item that I have visuals for laundry has coupons that attach. So that's where the post that I mentioned earlier is going to come in handy for you. So I'm going to let these play through because they're pretty self-explanatory. You've got the item, the price. These prices are the prices with the 50% off. This does not include the price off for any coupons. So the coupon, like this cash back one, you would earn $5 cash back. That does not accounted for. This has the $1.55 coupon showing. It's not reflected in the price. So it's just to let you know that there is a coupon that is attaching to this size, scent, UPC, etc. So I'll be back in a few moments with a little bit more information for you. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. On these pet screenshots or visuals that we have here, some of them may be duplicate products because, again, there was 2 of us working on these. One person was going from a list, one person was going from in-store pictures that we had. So if you see something that is duplicate, I do apologize. I tried to remove duplicate items, but when you're looking at over 400 pictures at one point, it's a little bit tough to do that. So I'm going to let these continue to play through, and I'll be back just in a moment. Now that we're into the baby items, I want to touch base on something. Last clearance sale, we had the memo and it stated Pampers Splashers were included. I'm not 100% sure if those are included for this clearance sale. So I did not include the Pampers Splashers, plus they did not have a coupon that was attaching, at least in my account. So those are not on here. I will have them on the website with the UPCs for you, but I will make a notation that they may or may not be included because they weren't specifically mentioned in the memo. At least not the memo that I have. All right, so this is the last visual we have for you, and we're going to jump into our cheat sheet. Our cheat sheet for Saturday, June 14th is ready. It is not on the website yet, but I will include it in the clearance post. I will link it below in the description box. This is a great way to find a substitution when you do your 5 off 25s or you're making your Saturday scenarios. So I wanted to include that in here so that everybody got notified that this was ready. And again, I will link everything down below in the description box. Please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, be sure you share so your friends and family can save, and find us at Facebook, rolloutsavings.com, also Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye!